Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the battery in this Mitsubishi 2-button remote key. First we need to slide the lock over to remove the key blade from the key fob. Now we need to get a flat-headed screwdriver and put it in the indentation at the bottom of the key and twist, which releases the two halves of the key fob case. Notice that the battery is facing upwards and it is in its correct location. Now we need to get a smaller screwdriver, place it underneath the key fob battery and remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a key fob battery with the part number CR2032, like this one. Now we need to put it back together. Get your new key fob battery, place it back into the housing like so. You get the other half of the key fob case, make sure it is all lined up, click it in place like so. We need to get the key fob blade, pop it back in, test it, make sure you can see the red lights, and you're ready to go.